What's new, everyone? Welcome to the Product Spotlight. I'm Ryan from HITFAR, and today we're going to be shining a light on the mophie StreamPad Mini Travel Kit. Now, when you get your hands on the box, you might think that the mophie Stream Travel Kit is going to be a little bit bigger than it really is. But mophie's new Take Anywhere Qi Charging Stream Travel Kit is actually very compact. Now, let me show you what I mean. Right here we've got the package, which is nicely compact and fits everything that you need inside. So let's go ahead and take a look. The mophie Charge Stream Pad Mini is a super small, ultra compact Qi charging dock. It's a few inches wide and 3/4 of an inch thick. It also comes with a high quality 5-foot micro USB cable, the mophie wall charger, and a USB charger for 12-volt vehicle receptacles. All of that fits inside of this awesome little package right here. It snaps up nice and tight. It's going to fit in any travel carry-on. It's going to fit in your glove compartment. You can take this thing anywhere with you. Now, you get all of that packed inside of a great little travel case so you can take your wireless charging on the road or anywhere else you can imagine. The mophie StreamPad Mini is a universal Qi charging pad with an output of 5 watts that offers decent charge times. We managed to get roughly 6% battery life after only 20 minutes on the Qi charger with a Samsung Galaxy S7. Now, with that being said, who is the mophie Charge Stream Travel Kit for? Well, it's a great addition to any mobile office or for traveling professionals, hopping from hotel to hotel, or maybe you just like to keep a charging kit with you on vacation or road trips. I know when I'm getting ready to head out to the airport, I always keep my toiletry bag ready to go, and this mophie kit has the potential to be exactly that for all of my charging needs. Alright, so the mophie Stream Charge Pad Mini is available as a travel kit for $59.99 MSRP, and the mophie Stream Charge Pad Mini is also available on its own for $29.99 MSRP. Check out our full line of mophie products available now on hitfar.com. I hope you've learned something, and we'll see you next time.